This is the Chicago Ace tubular lock. It's got 3 pins in it on the 3, 6, and 9 o'clock position. So on the pins, I'm going to try to set the outer pin first. And when they're set, there will be just a slight bit of spring to it. And I think I should get a little bit of plug movement as some of them get set. Applying a fair amount of tension there. There's a little bit of plug movement there. A little bit more. Okay, a little bit more. That one was binding hard. There we go. So that's, I think I'm going to have to pick this twice to get it to 90, maybe 3 times. So there's no driver pin there on the 12 o'clock position. So I guess there's one less pin maybe to set. Or I guess 2, because there's that one's pushed down as well where my tensioner is. All right, so that would be open. It's turned 90 degrees, which is all that the cam allows it to turn. So now I will have to pick this closed. There's no way to use the key. And I believe this thing is not guttable. So it's just round and around. Tapping these, you have to revisit each one a couple times. That one feels good. Don't need to set that one. Got a little bit of movement out of that one. A little bit more on that one. Got a little bit of springiness on them. There was some nice plug movement, some more there. All right, so got to pick this one more time. Could be maybe one more pin left. No, got a little bit of movement on that one, so maybe one more somewhere. That one feels good. Good, good, good now. And there we go. So this thing is not guttable from what I can tell. For one thing, to get the cam off, looks like that is welded or hammered on there. So that's pinned on, and then to get the whole plug out, I guess you'd have to drill these pins, which they're probably hardened pins, and this is somewhat of a rare cam lock, so I'm not going to do that just to gut this. But there's a pin and pin right here. You can see that outer ring. Pin and pin here. See that outer driver, or the outer pin, and then also here on this one. So the 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, and 9 o'clock positions. And of course, this is a 7-pin tubular lock. So another look at the key. So that cut there that's sticking up higher would be for the outer pin, and then that deeper recess right there would be the inner pin. And same for this one here at the 3 o'clock position. And looks like the one down at 6 o'clock is the outer pin is a max lift. So anyway, that is the Chicago Ace pin and pin tubular lock.